If you want to download a new app on your Google Pixel 10, all you have to do is go to the Play Store, which you should be able to find by default in the home screen somewhere over here, or you can go to the app drawer, and here you should be able to find the Play Store somewhere over here at the bottom. And once you open it, you should be able to immediately see apps, and you can scroll through this page in order to try something that you might want to download. If you decide to download something, of course, you can select the app and we have this install button. If you're looking for something more specific, you can use categories over here at the top, and you can search for an app based on these categories. Or if you know the name of the app that you are trying to download, then of course at the bottom we have search. We can tap on the search field at the top. You can write the name of the app that you're trying to install. So let's say I'm gonna write Instagram. There we go. And you should be able to find the app. You can immediately press install over here on the right side, or you can tap on the app in order to find more details about the app. Once the app is installed, you can open it by using the open button that you will have over here in the Play Store, or of course you can go, for example, to the app drawer and find it over there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.